All right. So on the Trade Board of Jamaica website, right? You can go to the website link, which is tradeboard.gov.jm, and it will give you all info you need on how to, the procedure to import a vehicle. Um, but what you can do, just save the page, right? Save it, and then you'll have an easier time to find it back. So, so the two types of ways you can import a vehicle. Either you're gonna do it individual or for business. If this is your first vehicle, you just want to import one car or maybe two cars for, let's say 2 to 3 years. The individual will be your best bet. Business, that's more people who want to sell cars in Jamaica, right? So for the individual, you may import two motor vehicles every 3 years, excepting two motor cars. So you must either be a Jamaican resident, child of Jamaican parentage, spouse of a Jamaican, returning resident, contract worker, or a work permit person. All right. Businesses importing motor vehicles fall into two categories. So either the non-dealer, or you're the dealer, or you're the certified motor vehicle dealers. All right. So next major thing you have to be mindful of is the age of the vehicle. So motorcycles, they don't want it older than 5 years. Motor vehicle, that's like your typical the car that you're gonna buy. They said not older than 6 years. Like to use commercial vehicles, so that's like 6 to 10 years, depending on the type of vehicle. You have the motor vehicle by returning residents, not exceeding 10 years. So this is like I think this is more like if you have a car overseas and want to bring it back with you. So they are giving you a 10 year thing for that. Special purposes, motor vehicles 10 years, commercial vehicle 12 to 30 years, depending on type of vehicle. I have then the heavy duty vehicles. Well, equipment. They call it more equipment, right? Because that's like um, the stuff that like bauxite mining and those heavy type of tools, heavy type of stuff needed for like labor jobs and stuff. To purchase a vehicle, you need to contact the auto terminal because you're gonna need an inspection and sanitation, pre-inspection, right? Pre-shipment inspection. So it's not just Japan that you're able to buy cars from. You can also get it Singapore, United States of Emirates, Arab Emirates, sorry, UK, Canada. It just depends on where you want to get it from, but typically the same rules apply. So apply for the permit. You must do it electronically using the J Swift. All right, let me just go there for you. All right, so as I said, all can be found on the website. So you just go here and you read through. So you see. All right, let's go back. All right, so this is which documents you need. So you need the vehicle information, attaching the following documents, and making the payment. So you need the invoice from the supplier. Let me show you what the invoice typically looks like. Invoice. All right. So this is one from another shipper. They work with SPT Japan. They're Balada. Start coming up. All right. So Balada, right? Uh, so they'll give you the typical information that you need. Uh, there's some like general info about the car itself. So this one was highest 2015 Pearl. So they give you the info you need, and then you can just work from there to follow up with this. And if they don't give you something that you see that is needed here, just request it and they'll pass it on to you. So so the invoice or the bill of sale, which was that one from Belada or whichever company you're using. So SBT will have their similar thing, but maybe look a bit different with the branding and stuff. registration certificate or the title of Japanese export certificate detailing the model number, the year, the VIN, the color, seating capacity, unladen weight, etc. Uh, one type of valid vehicle identification. Well, sorry, your identification. No. So you need a passport, a driver's license, or your national ID card, and your taxpayer number. So if you're using a driver's license, the TRN will be on that. You need a pre-inspection certificate only for used vehicles. Be mindful of these fees right here, because these fees can change if if um these fees can change if anything happens with the government, or if they feel that it's maybe too low, they'll change that. But besides that, now you just need to check your application status periodically for approval via the same JSwift website, which is uh, hold on. All right, JSwift. Let me click on it again. JSwift website. Sorry, my phone is a bit slow. All right. All right. Yes. Um, all right. Let's add the info here, and then you'll be able to do your thing. All right. Let's go back to the. All right. Click off that. All right, proceed to Jamaica Customs Agency when the permit is ready. Permit must be obtained before Jamaica vehicle arrives in Jamaica. All right, be mindful of this. Be mindful of this before. So put it in dark and underline because you need to be mindful of that. So aside from this, there's also another way to do it. Um, you can reach out to a dealer directly, and they'll kind of handle most of this process for you. So you can reach out to a dealer from Jamaica, and they will handle this application process for you. They will charge you a fee, though, so be mindful of that. And or they might even have vehicles that have arrived or are arriving shortly to Jamaica that you can look at their listings and see if one matches with what you had in mind, and then that'll make it a bit easier for you. All right, so the age limit again, and the buses, trucks, heavy duty equipment, and that's it. All right. And then they also have others, so you can go into and read these. If you're importing a motorcycle or the age limit, you have to verify that. Document requirements, return residence. All right. Pre-inspection verification, pre-inspection. Well, all right. That's it. All right. Hopefully this helps.